Welcome everyone, here is how you connect a controller to your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. So any controller means any Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, anything that has Bluetooth. So all you do is you open up the settings app. From here you're going to tap on connections. You're then going to find Bluetooth and just make sure Bluetooth is on. Then rest your Z Fold down, just place it somewhere else. You're going to get your controller here. And my controller needs to be on a charger 24/7 because I don't have any batteries, so apologies for this camera view. You just want to turn on the controller. Now keep in mind this may also turn on your console, okay? And from here we need to enter the controller into pairing mode. So in the case of the Xbox, there is a share button at the top. You long press this until the Xbox logo does this really fast blinking. On the PlayStation controller, you hold down PlayStation button and share. On the Nintendo controller there's a little black button. You may need a pin, but you press that pair button down. So from here let's check our Z Fold again. So unlock it. And so what you do is you just tap on the scan button here to refresh the scan. And you should see the controller. You can see just like this, Xbox wireless controller. Tap on this one, tap on pair. And just like that, you successfully paired. Depending on the controller you connected, it may want to download an app. However, that is not required. Okay, the controller has now been paired successfully. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.